Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. Good morning, students. Our today's topic is linking words or connectors. Connectors or linking words help you to connect ideas and sentence when you speak or write English. You can use connectors or linking words to give examples, add information, summarize sequence information, give a reason or result, or to contrast ideas. Here's a list of the most common connectors or linking words and phrases. Addition: further, furthermore, moreover, in addition, additionally, then, also, to, besides, again, equally, important, first, second, finally, last. Comparison: similarly, comparable, in the same way, likewise, as with, equally, just as, so too, skip it. Contrast: however, nevertheless, on the other hand, on the contrary, even so, notwithstanding, alternatively, at the same time, though, otherwise, instead, nonetheless, conversely. Time: meanwhile, presently, at last, finally, immediately, thereafter, at that time, subsequently, eventually, currently, in the meantime, in the past. Result: hence, therefore, accordingly, consequently, thus, thereupon, as a result, in consequence, so, then. Summary: in short, on the whole, in other words, to be sure, clearly, anyway, on the whole, in sum, after all, in general, it seems, in brief. Examples: for example, for instance, that is, such as, revealed by, illustrated by, specifically, in particular, for one thing. This can be seen in an instance of this. Place: there, here, beyond, nearby, next to, at that point, opposite to, adjacent to, on the other side, in the front, in the back. For giving examples, such as, for example, for instance, namely, the most common way to give example is by using for example or for instance. Let's interpret it by example. There are several problems to consider. For instance, for example, there is a lack of public transport. Namely refers to something by name. Example: there are two problems, namely the expense and the time. Adding information: and in addition, as well as, also, to, furthermore, moreover, apart from, in addition to, besides. Here, ideas are often linked by and. In a list, you put a comma between each them, but not before and. Interpretation by example. We discussed training, education, and the budget. Also is used to add an extra ideas or emphasis. জোর দেওয়ার জন্য. Example. We also spoke about marketing. You can use also with, not only, to give emphasis. Let's interpret it by example. We are concerned not only by the cost but also by the competition. We don't usually start a sentence with also. If you want to start a sentence with a phrase that means also, you can use in addition or in addition to this extension. Example. You haven't paid the rent yet. In addition, you owe me money. Okay. As well as can be used at the beginning or the middle of a sentence. Example. As well as the cost, we are concerned by the competition. Another one. We are interested in cost as well as the competition. Okay. To goes either at the end of the sentence or after the subject and means as well. Example. They were concerned too. I too was concerned. Apart from and besides are often used to mean as well as or in addition to. Example. Apart from Rover, we are the largest sports car manufacturer. Rover means a company. It stands for a company's name. Besides Rover, we are the largest sports car manufacturer. Moreover and furthermore add extra information to the point you are making. Example. Marketing plans give us an idea of the potential market. Moreover, they tell us about the competition. Summarizing. In short, in brief, in summary, to summarize, in a nutshell, to conclude, in conclusion. We normally use these words at the beginning of the sentence to give a summary of what we have said or written. Example: I have concerned the main events of the year. In short or brief, our team is now one of the best in the world. To conclude, or in conclusion, I want to wish you all a very happy holiday season. Sequencing ideas. The former followed by the latter. Firstly, secondly, finally. The first point is lastly. The following. The former and the latter are useful when you want to refer to one of 2 points. Interpretation by examples. Marketing and finance are both covered in the course. The former is studied in the first term, as in marketing, and the latter is studied in the final term, I mean finance. Firstly, secondly, finally, or lastly are useful ways to list ideas. It's rare to use fourthly or fifthly. Instead, try the first point, the second point, the third point, and so on. The following is a good way of starting a list. Example: the following people have been chosen to go on the training course, such as Ann Peters, C. Jones, and Owen. Giving a reason: due to the fact that, owing to the fact that, because of, since, as. Due to and owing to must be followed by a noun. Interpretation by example: due to the rise in oil prices, the inflation rate rose by 1.25%. Okay. Owing to the demand, we are unable to supply all items within 2 weeks. If you want to follow these words with a clause that belongs to a subject, verb, and object, you must follow the words with the fact that. Illustration by example: due to the fact that oil prices have risen, the inflation rate has gone up by 1.25%. Owing to the fact that the workers have gone on strike, the company has been able to fulfill all its orders. Here, because of is followed by a noun. Example, because of bad weather, the football match was postponed. Because can be used at the beginning or in the middle of a sentence. Example, because it was raining, the match was postponed. We believe in incentive schemes because we want our employees to be more productive. Since as, since and as mean because. Since or as stand for because. Example, since the company is expanding, we need to hire more staff. As the company is expanding, we need to hire more staff. Giving a result. Therefore, so, consequently. This means that as a result. Therefore, so, consequently, and as a result are all used in a similar way. Example, the company are expanding, therefore, so, consequently, as a result, they are taking on extra staff. You need to bear in mind that so is more informal. Contrasting idea. But, however, although, even though, despite, despite the fact that, in spite of, in spite of the fact that, nevertheless, nonetheless, while, whereas, unlike, in theory, in practice, but is more informal than however. It is not normally used at the beginning of a sentence. Let's interpret it by example. He works hard, but he doesn't earn much. He works hard, however, he doesn't earn much. Although, despite, and in spite of introduce an idea of contrast. With these words, you must have two halves of a sentence. Two parts. Example, although it was cold, she went out in shorts. In spite of the cold, she went out in shorts. Despite and in spite of are used in the same way as due to and owing to. They must be followed by a noun. If you want to follow them with a noun and a verb, you must use the fact that. Example: despite the fact that the company was doing badly, they took on extra employees. Nevertheless and nonetheless mean in spite of that or anyway. Example: the sea was cold, but he went swimming nevertheless. In spite of the fact that it was cold. The meaning of this sentence. The company is doing well, nonetheless. They aren't going to expand this year. While, whereas, and unlike are used to show how two things are different from each other. Interpretation by example: while my sister has blue eyes, mine are brown. Taxes have gone up, whereas social security contributions have gone down, like present period. Unlike in the UK, the USA has cheap petrol. In theory, in practice, show an unexpected result. In theory, teachers should prepare for lessons, but in practice, they often don't have enough time. Okay, boys. The answer of the previous homework. Number 1. Oh, that is complex to transformation complex to compound sentences. Number 1. He tried his best, but he didn't succeed. Number 2. The clown entered the circus ring and the children started clapping. Number 3. Take care of the pens and the pounds will take care of themselves. Number 4. You have to hurry or you will miss the bus. Number 5. The battle has been won, but the war isn't over yet. Number 6. The country has made huge progress, but we still have a long way to go. Number 7. You have to be 18 years old or you can't vote. Number 8. Leprosy is curable and everybody knows this. Number 9. He's a magician from Turkey. and he has performed all over the world. Number 10. She is ill, yet she worked very hard. Okay, boys, homework for today. Complete the passages using suitable connectors. To be done. Number 1. Number 2. Dear students, you need to do your homework in your homework copy and submit it to me to my WhatsApp number that you have already known, referring your name, roll numbers and section. Okay, number B. Write an application to the principal of your school for opening a debating club to be learned. That's all for today. Thank you to everyone.